Hello and welcome to our first snapshot video of 2018. Happy New Year to you all. My name is Andrew Flattress and I'm the Braille Product Manager at Humanware. We're going to kick off 2018 by introducing Keysoft version 5. Keysoft version 5, released at the end of January, has brought to us a couple of new features. One being full QWERTY support and the other the ability to switch to a one-handed mode. On this snapshot video, I'm going to show you how we pair a Bluetooth keyboard to the BrailleNote Touch. If you wish to use a USB keyboard, you simply plug in your USB keyboard to the back of the USB connection of the Touch, and you'll have instant interaction between your QWERTY keyboard and the BrailleNote Touch. So you'll have the ability to navigate using your QWERTY keys, as well as input using your keys. So without further ado, let's get on to our task and pair my Bluetooth device. So from the main menu, I'm going to access my quick settings by pressing Enter with Q.
Bluetooth disconnected. Wi-Fi 1 bar. 438.
Okay,
Quick settings.
Now I'm going to press the letter B multiple times until we get to the prompt of Bluetooth.
Brightness battery 40. Bluetooth on.
And press Enter to confirm.
Bluetooth. BrailleNote Touch. Not visible. BrailleNote Touch. Not visible to other Bluetooth devices.
Okay, so now before I navigate to my available devices, at this stage, certain keyboards are required to be in a search mode. So I'd suggest consult your manufacturer's handbook on how to get your keyboard into a searchable mode. On my keyboard, I'm going to have to press and hold a button to get it into the search mode so that other devices can pick it up. So I'm going to press that now. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm now going to go forwards to my available devices and hopefully my Bluetooth keyboard will be listed. It may also prompt me to put a pairing code in. So again, this is depending on the manufacturer. It may prompt you to enter a series of digits followed by the Enter key.
Speech on. Available C35-9 Bluetooth _keyboard, Bluetooth pairing request. To pair with Bluetooth _keyboard. Type on it 220,007, then press return or enter. Bluetooth. BrailleNote Touch, only visible to paired devices.
Okay, so now my Bluetooth keyboard is connected, and you notice then I had to put in a sequence of keys followed by the Enter to confirm that. My Bluetooth keyboard is now connected. And now I can operate my keyboard or operate my touch by my QWERTY keyboard. So for example, if I wanted to go to the home menu here, I can press Control, Alt and H. And that will take me to my home screen.
Speech on.
If I require to navigate by sections, I can use my up and down arrows, and this is simulating my outer right thumb keys or my outer left thumb key.
Contacts, key list, email, key internet, key web email, key mail.
And I can also use my first letter navigation. So if I wanted to jump to my all applications, I can press the letter A.
All applications.
And there we have it. That's the video on how we compare our Bluetooth keyboards to the BrailleNote Touch. Thank you very much for tuning in.